Screws are essential. We use them for everything. From building houses to fixing toys, screws are everywhere. They come in different sizes. They come in different types. Each screw has a purpose. Understanding screws makes your projects better. Screws are fasteners. They hold things together. They work by twisting and biting into materials. This creates a strong hold. Choosing the right screw is important. Using the wrong screw can lead to problems. A screw has simple parts. Each part does a job. The head is the top. You can turn it with a screwdriver. The shank is the smooth body of the screw. The threads are the ridges that spiral around the shank. They grip the material. The point is the sharp tip. It helps the screw start in the material. The head can have different shapes. This determines the type of screwdriver you use. The threads can be spaced apart or close together. This affects how well the screw holds. The point can be sharp or blunt. This determines how easily the screw penetrates the material. Wood screws are common. We use them for woodworking. They have coarse threads. These threads bite into wood. This creates a tight bond. Wood screws have different heads. Some heads are flat, some heads are round. The head shape matters. It depends on your project. Flat heads sit flush with the wood. Round heads are good for decorative purposes. Wood screws come in many sizes. Choose the right size for your job. A screw that's too small won't hold. A screw that's too big can split the wood. Sheet metal screws are different. They have fine threads. These threads are close together. This helps them grip thin metal. Sheet metal screws have sharp points. This helps them pierce the metal. They are also called self-tapping screws. These screws are used in many ways. We use them to attach metal sheets. We use them to attach metal to wood. We also use them to attach metal to plastic. Always drill a pilot hole. This helps prevent the metal from bending. Section 5. Machine screws, nuts and bolts of the matter. Machine screws are strong. They hold metal parts together. They have fine threads. These threads fit into nuts. Machine screws don't have points. They have blunt ends. You need a nut for a machine screw. The nut screws onto the screw. This creates a tight clamp. Machine screws come in many sizes. They also come in different strengths. Choose the right screw for your project. Section 6. Drywall screws, hanging tough. Drywall screws are special. They are for hanging drywall. They have a bugle-shaped head. This head helps them sink into the drywall. Drywall screws have fine threads. These threads grip the drywall tightly. These screws are designed to break below the surface. This creates a smooth finish. Always use a drywall screw gun. This tool helps you drive the screws correctly. Section 7. Specialty screws, for special jobs. Some screws are for special jobs. Deck screws are one example. They are for building decks. They are weather-resistant. Concrete screws are another example. They are for attaching things to concrete. They are very strong. Always choose the right specialty screw. This ensures your project is safe. It also ensures your project lasts. Section 8. Choosing the right screw. A solid foundation. Choosing the right screw is important. It affects the strength of your project. It also affects the durability of your project. Consider the material. Think about the size and thickness. Think about the environment. Will the screw be exposed to moisture? Will it be exposed to weight? Always choose quality screws. A good screw will last a long time. It will also hold your project together securely.